Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to chrome metal at home. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves, eye protection, and a respirator. Set up your workspace in a well-ventilated area, perhaps outdoors or with strong exhaust fans. Gather all your materials, including the metal item, cleaning solutions, electroplating chemicals, and a power supply, before you begin the process. Proper preparation is crucial for a successful chrome finish. Begin by meticulously cleaning your metal item, removing any dirt or grime. Next, eliminate all rust, old paint, or existing coatings using abrasive tools or chemical strippers. Finally, degrease the surface completely with a suitable solvent to ensure the plating solution adheres perfectly, creating a smooth, durable chrome layer. Now for the exciting part, the electroplating. Carefully prepare your plating bath, ensuring the solution is at the correct concentration and temperature. Connect your power supply, attaching the anode to the positive terminal and the item to be chromed, the cathode, to the negative terminal. Apply a steady current, typically 3 to 5 volts, for about 30 to 60 minutes, observing the chrome layer forming. Once plated, carefully remove your item from the bath, rinse it thoroughly with distilled water, and then polish it to a brilliant shine. Remember to dispose of all used chemicals safely and according to local regulations. And speaking of keeping things clean, for an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for daily tidying. Find a link to this amazing robot and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.